SOUN Stock Wednesday. Where is it going in the next few days, weeks, and months? SoundHound AI is sitting at 388. This is how my technical analysis looks like. And just for context, I'm using my strategy system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. Now, I'm saying this because it is the truth and I have it all documented on my YouTube channel. But looking at the price right here, you see it really depends from what angle you look at it, but I'm actually bullish on it. Next, my target is these highs and like, let's say 5, it's like 497. But more likely than not, we're going to see the price just going to realize itself like that. But the only way that I would be positioning my opportunity right here is if the price goes lower and then gives me the double break, right? You get the point. I could be having my target, I could be having my directional bias, but we don't end there. We look for opportunities to get in. We cannot just buy at that point, right? The rules need to be met. And we're talking from experience. I've done more than close to 17,000 videos, all documented on my YouTube channel. So, yeah, nothing to sell you. Check out the free course, first link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. So, see ya.